Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll walk you through how to create and activate a size chart for your Shopify store using the Enterprise theme. Let's dive right in. First, we need to create a dedicated page for your size chart. In your Shopify admin, go to Online Store and then Pages. Click Add Page. Make sure the page is set to Visible and click Save. Now let's activate the size chart on your product pages. In the left panel, select the Variant Picker block. Scroll down until you see the size chart settings and check the box that says Enable Size Chart. This allows your size chart to appear alongside the product variants. Next, click Select Page and choose the page you just created for your size chart. This links your size chart to the product page. In the option name field, enter the variant option title that represents the size, like size. This ensures that the size chart will display next to the size selector on your product page. Once everything is set, a size guide link will appear next to your variant options. You can now click the link, and it will open the size chart page you've created. And there you have it. Your size chart is now set up and ready to go on your product pages. If this tutorial was helpful, be sure to leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tips. Thanks for watching.